Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve matrix using the ERO. Okay, using ERO methods in order to find the inverse matrix. Okay, so first of all, for the elements for the first row and the first column, we have to make sure we have to turn it to the 1. Okay, so for the identity matrix 3 times 3, we have 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so first of all we have to know the procedure how to change all the elements to become the identity. So the first row and the first column must be 1, and then follow, alright, until here, something like that. Okay, so we have to try first. Okay, so how to become the first row and the first column into 1? So of course we have to multiply the first row by multiplying by negative 1 over 3 1. Okay, so negative 1 over 3 R1. Okay, for the new first row, so it will become all the elements. Okay, all the elements here must be multiplied by negative third. Okay, negative 1/3. Alright, so here we go. So negative 3 times negative 1 over 3 will become 1. Okay, this one 1 over 3, and then it will become negative 2. Okay, and then this one got the negative 1 over 3 0 0. Okay, and then the remaining of the others row is still same. 2 1 negative 4 0 1 0 negative 5 negative 1 11 0 0 1. Okay, then don't forget this line. Okay, next we focus change 2 into 0. So we have to multiply the first row by 2 and then minus the second row. Okay, so the first row I choose the first row. Okay, multiply by 2 and then minus R2. Okay, to become the new element for the second row. So what I have is 1 over 3 negative 2, then negative 1 over 3 0 0. Okay, and then for the first row is settled, and then we see on the second row, so 2 times 1 2, and then minus 2 will become 0, so will become 0. And then this one you got the negative 1 over 3, you got 0, negative 2 over 3, negative 1 0, and then the third row is still same, so we copy down negative 5 negative 1 11 0 0 1. Alright, next we move to the third steps, which is we have to make sure the negative 5 will become 0. So how to do that? So we can multiply the first row by 5. So 5 R1, and then we plus with the third row to become new elements for the third row. So 1 0 1 over 3 negative 1 over 3 negative 2 0 negative 1 over 3 negative 2 over 3 0 negative 1 0 0. Okay, so the first row we have to multiply by 5, so 1 times 5 equal to 5. 5 plus minus 5 become 0. Very good. Okay, so this one 1 over 3 times 5, 5 over 3 minus 1, it will become 2 over 3. This one will become 1, negative 5 over 3, 0, 1. Okay, don't forget the line here. Okay, next we have to make sure the second row and second column. Okay, this one negative 1 over 3 will become 1. So I have multiplied all the second row by negative what? How to become negative 1 over 3? So we have to multiply by negative 3, okay, for the second column. Okay, so we should write this one negative 3R2 for the new second row. Okay, so I have 1 over 3, negative 2, negative 1 over 3, 0, 0. This one 0, 2 over 3, 1, negative 5 over 3, 0, 1. Okay, don't forget our bracket. Okay, so this one will become 0. Negative 3 times negative 1 over 3, you will become 1. This one 0, the line. So this one you got 2, 3, and 0. Okay, next we have to make sure this thing, either you want to begin for 1 over 3 or 2 over 3, is up to you. Make sure this element become 0. So I'm start to become 1 over 3 turn into the 0. So what should I do here? So I need to multiply the second row. Okay, multiply the second row by negative 1 over 3. Okay, so my idea, negative 1 over 3 R2 plus R1 to become the new R1. Okay, so what I have, so this one 1, 0, 0. Okay, so this one will become 0, of course. This one will become 1, 2 over 3. So negative 2, 0, 1. Then negative 1 to negative 5 over 3. Negative 1, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, next this number, okay, you will become 0. We have to change into the 0. So how? So my idea is the third row. Okay, the third row, multiply. Before we multiply, we have to minus first. Okay, we have to minus with the 2 over 3 R2 to become new R3. Okay, why? We have a 1, 0, 0. Okay, so 0, 1. Okay, for the second row, all must be multiplied by negative 2 over 3. So 1 multiply negative 2 over 3, we got the negative 2 over 3. So the third row, 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So of course you will become 0. Okay, this one is a negative 2, 0, 1. Okay, so this one will become negative 1, 2, negative 3. This one is a negative 1, 3, negative 2, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so to avoid silly mistakes in calculation, of course we have to using the calculator. Okay, make sure you press the calculator, you insert the numbers in the calculator, and you have to recheck every number that you plug into the equations or into the calculator must be correct. Okay, and then I have the what? So I have to focus this column only. Okay, I have to focus this column only. Okay, so this one 0 1. Okay, so the final step we have to focus the negative 2. Okay, we have to focus the negative 2. So what should I do here? How to become 0? So the idea is, what's the idea? I using the first row minus with minus or plus. For me, I have to choose plus. Okay, the operation is addition. So the first row add with 2r3 to become new r1. So I have 1 0 0. So this one will become 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so here it will become negative 3 2 3 negative 2 0 1. Okay, so this one negative 3 plus with a 2, so it will become negative 7. Am I right? Okay, the first row is negative 1. Okay, negative 1 plus 2r3, so this one is a negative 3. So negative 1 minus 6 is equal to negative 7. So this one is correct. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, I should delete here. We have to jot down another paper, okay, in order to calculate. This one is a negative 7, negative 5, and 2. Alright, so just now this is your identity. Okay, this is your identity. So the matrix have the inverse, which is negative 7 to negative 3 negative 5 3 negative 2 2 0 1. So this matrix we can write down as the inverse by using the ERO. Okay, so if you consider this matrix is A, let's say you name for this matrix is A, so your answer must be A inverse. Okay, must be A inverse equal to negative 7 to negative 3 negative 5 3 negative 2 2 0 1. Alright, here's the answer. So I hope make you clearer explanation on how to find out the inverse matrix by using the ERO. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.